Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of sound tech for improv shows. I've got 10 tips that will help you master sound management in improv using SoundShow. So, let's jump right in. Tip number 1, pre-listening to your sounds. Sometimes, you're unsure how a sound will fit into a scene, so it's helpful to preview it before it goes live. In SoundShow, you can set up multiple sound outputs, for example, one for your stage and another for your headphones. To configure your outputs, just go to Options, then Devices. You can set the name, driver, and color for each device. You can easily switch between these outputs by clicking on the button at the top, allowing you to preview sounds in your headphones without broadcasting them to the audience. When a sound is playing, you can send it to another output by clicking on the little colored bullet and selecting the output device. This way, you'll always know exactly what you're about to play. Tip number 2, searching for sounds on the fly. Improv can be unpredictable, and you might need a sound you didn't prepare. No worries. Just head to the Search tab to search through your entire project. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can also search directly online in the extensive freesound.org library by changing the source in the drop-down menu. Simply type in a keyword, download the sound, and play it instantly. You'll never be caught without the perfect sound. Tip number 3, quick launch panel. A scene can go in multiple directions, but you're not sure which way it will go. Maybe romantic, sad, or even explosive. You can quickly add tracks to your quick launch category by clicking the middle mouse button. This creates a collection of sounds that you can instantly access if the scene demands it. Perfect for those unexpected twists. Tip number 4, volume of the next sound. Often, when launching background music or atmospheric effects, you want to start with the volume at 0 and gradually increase it so that the sound's appearance is almost unnoticed. In SoundShow, you can set the volume of the next sound to be played using the top slider. Then, you can control the volume of the individual sound on its sound player. This way, the sound blends seamlessly into the performance. Tip number 5, linking volumes. For those moments when a scene shifts from one emotion to another, linking sound volumes can create a smooth transition. In SoundShow, you can link the volumes of 2 different tracks. Left-click on the linking button of one sound, then right-click on the linking button of another sound, and their volumes will move in opposite directions, one fading out while the other fades in, creating a manual crossfade effect. Tip number 6, speech mode volume. Ever had a moment where the MC starts speaking over the music and you need the volume to drop instantly? SoundShow's speech mode is perfect for this. By pressing the spacebar, the music volume decreases to a pre-configured level, allowing the speaker to be heard clearly. Release the spacebar, and the music returns to its original volume. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference in live shows. Tip number 7, the unload after play option. When working with short-form formats, you may want to ensure that the music between improv scenes is different each time. The unload after play option ensures that once a sound has played, it unloads from memory, preventing it from being triggered accidentally again. Tip number 8, instructions. For scripted parts, like the beginning or end of a show, you can pre-program a sequence of sounds that will play one after the other automatically, or with a simple press of the Enter key. Tip number 9, sound history. It's always good to keep track of what you've played, especially for post-show debriefs. SoundShow lets you copy the history of all sounds played during a show. This can be particularly useful if you need to review the timing of the show, such as knowing when it officially started or ended, by tracking the entrance and exit music, or for legal purposes like copyright attributions when uploading videos online. Tip number 10, smooth loops. If you're looping a sound like rain or background music, it's essential that the loop isn't noticeable. SoundShow offers a smooth loop feature that crossfades the end of the sound back to the beginning, creating a seamless loop. And there you have it, 10 tips to elevate your sound tech game in improv shows using SoundShow. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more SoundShow tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.